In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall mail in Zoho Mail. We're going to walk through the exact flow you'll use when you've sent an email too soon to the wrong person or with missing information and you want to try pulling it back. I'll also point out what to look for on screen and share a few helpful tips so you know what to expect. Keep in mind, recall isn't guaranteed. It generally works best within the same organization and before the recipient opens the message. With that in mind, let's get started. First, head to the Zoho Mail homepage and sign in so you're looking at your inbox. To demonstrate recall properly, we'll begin by sending a message you can immediately try to retract. This keeps everything in one continuous flow. If you're just practicing, use a test address you control so there's no risk of exposing sensitive information. Click New Mail to open a fresh compose window. In the To field, type the recipient address for this test. Keep it simple and avoid any real confidential contacts. In the subject line, add something short and recognizable so you can spot it quickly in Sent, like Test Message for Recall. Type a brief body, just a line or two, so the message sends quickly and is easy to identify later. When you're ready, click Send. The message leaves your outbox and moves into your Sent folder right away. Now move over to your left sidebar and open Folders. This is where Zoho Mail groups your standard mailboxes such as Inbox, Drafts, and Sent. Click Sent to view the message you just dispatched. It should appear at the top of the list. If you don't see it instantly, give it a moment to sync. You're looking for the delivery indicator next to that message. Once it shows as delivered, you'll be able to access options related to its delivery status, including recall. Find the message you just sent and look for the delivered icon beside it. Click that icon. This opens the delivery details panel for your specific email. Inside that panel, you'll see information about the message's status. This is the place Zoho Mail uses to surface advanced actions tied to delivery, one of which is the recall option. Choose Recall Email. When you do this, Zoho Mail attempts to retract the message from the recipient's mailbox. Think of it as a request that only works under certain conditions. If the email is within your organization and the recipient hasn't opened it yet, there's a much better chance of success. If the message has already been read or it was sent to external recipients, recall may not be possible. Depending on your setup, you might see a confirmation or a status that indicates the recall attempt has been initiated. After you trigger recall, keep an eye on the status indicators. You may see updates showing whether the request succeeded or failed. Even if recall works, your original email will remain visible in your own sent folder as part of your records. If recall isn't available in your account or the option doesn't appear, it may be restricted by your organization's settings or not supported for that recipient type. In that case, consider sending a quick follow-up correction to clarify the message. Also, if your account offers an undo send delay, enabling it can give you a brief buffer next time before a message actually leaves your outbox. That's the full process. Open Zoho Mail, send a quick test message, go to Folders, open Sent, click the delivered icon for that message, and then select Recall Email. Use this workflow as soon as you realize a mistake to maximize your chances of success. Practice it once or twice with a harmless test message so it feels natural when you need it most. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to recall mail in Zoho Mail with confidence.